How to separate text string into column. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Google spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel. After that, here as you can see, I have created some random data. Now, in order to create or in order to separate these data from each other from the string to column, what you will have to do is first select all the datas and then go to data. Now go to split text to column. After that, go to this separator and then you can either select detect automatically or then select a separate string like comma, semicolon, period or space. As you can see, I had used a comma in this cell for A, comma, B, comma, C, and now it is separated into 3 different columns. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.